Hey guys, this is Hayden here at Freedom Homes. I want to show you guys a brand new double wide that just got here on the lot. It's new to the lot, but it's not new to Freedom Homes. It's called the Marvel. We've had a Marvel here on the lot before, and it sold pretty quick. This is an awesome floor plan. This is a 28 by 56 double wide. This is from our Tru Homes factory. Love Tru Homes because they only offer the the vinyl sidings. Vinyl, super easy to fix, very easy to maintain. We'll come in here. The Marvel is a beautiful home. It's a 28 by 56, 4-bed, 2-bath home. And this house is going to be what you're looking for. Awesome. Just beautiful. First off, we have new furniture, so the new furniture just looks amazing in here. And we can get you guys a furniture package if you really need it. But wide open floor plan. This house is energy smart, so top of the line energy efficiency for you. We want to make sure that you have the best home for your energy needs. Well, you know, with the Energy Smart package, you get low E windows, you get upgraded insulation head to toe, and this house is brand new, but it comes with a smart thermostat, the ecobee smart thermostat. Actually, what's cool is you can control that from your phone, whether you're at work or you're at home, sitting on the couch, whatever you're doing. You can turn the heater on, AC on, you turn everything off, you can turn it on, you make it blow backwards, forwards. It's pretty sweet. It's a game changer for sure, and it's going to help save a lot of money on your energy bills. If you're tired of paying for a high energy bill, come buy this home. This house is beautiful. It's 4-bed, 2-bath. All your cabinetry is wrapped with Duracraft. Duracraft is scratch and water resistant. You have the wood grain lino here in your kitchen, dining area. But you have the dining area, and then it also has, on the floor plan, they have it to where that's a second den right there, second living area. And we decorated it to where you can understand it, you can see it. You don't have to do it. You can make this one big dining area if you wanted to. It's your home. You're going to do what you want with it. This just tells you a little bit about the Energy Smart package. Don't mind the glare from the window, but just tells you a little bit. You get upgraded insulation, programmable thermostat. Like I said, this house is a 4-bed, 2-bath. So you get 4 bedrooms. They're not going to be massive bedrooms, but they're going to be good. They're going to hold your family, and they're going to have space to enjoy. And another nice thing is the bedrooms are on one side and the master's on the other. So you can kind of get away if you need to, get a little separation. And I'm sure y'all have seen a few videos of me already doing our Tru Homes, and they all kind of look alike. Well, that's why Tru Homes is at such a low price point. Tru Homes just offers this. Like, what you see is what you get. The flooring, the trim, the wall color, the cabinet color, the countertop. Like, that's all the same in all their houses. And they make a house quickly, and they make it well. And it allows that factory to sell it at a very low price, and which is good for you and me, because if I can get a house cheaper from a factory, I can sell it to you at a lower price. So it's a win-win for everyone, really. Beautiful, though. They do a really great job. Duracraft Cabinets, and you'll get your fridge, range, and dishwasher with this home. And they're Frigidaire appliances, and they all have warranties to them. And the home has a warranty itself from the factory. So we're going to come out and service it, take care of you a whole year even after you buy the home from us. Another beautiful thing, you have freezer storage. So where your central air and heat will get set up at. And your utilities are going to get hooked up there. And then you also have a rear entry door. All very convenient to have. And one last little piece is that main water shutoff. Got to make sure I show it to you guys, just so you know. We're the only ones that have it here. Main water shutoff. If you have a leak in your home, you can walk right here, turn on, turn it off, fix your leak, and get going. It's super convenient to have. You won't realize it until you need it. It's just amazing. This whole home, it's got just about everything you need. Space for the kids, space for you, and just a big master bedroom. Wow. They know how to give the owners of the home all the space. Brand new carpet. The carpet is Shaw brand carpet, soil and stain resistant. I'm not going to say it's going to get rid of it all, but it'll be easier to clean up. But big bedroom. And you got a really good sized master bathroom. And we do have a pretty cool promotion going on with our master bathroom in our Tru homes. I'm not going to spoil it, so you got to call or you got to come by and figure out what it is. But let's just say this goes away and becomes something really nice. If you want to know, you got to call. Got to ask questions. I can't read your minds. If you like that, great. Tub shower combo all day, or you can get something even nicer. Huge closet. Man, it's going to hold everything you need in there. And again, the single vanity. Just a beautiful home. But this is the Marvel 4-bed, 2-bath, 28'x56. This is just an amazing home. We have a few other Tru homes here on the lot as well, and we'd be able to change out that master bathroom, do something special with it for you. So if you want to know, just give us a call, 918-728-2277, or you can come by Freedom Homes of Tulsa, 9516 East Admiral Place, and check us out online, www.freedomhomestulsa.com. All right, thanks.